How is everyone doing today? Well, I'm at the garden here for finishing my garlic planting here. I've got some exciting news. I actually bought a microphone for my camera here, so hopefully that sound is way better than it has been in the past, because it's been kind of crap, to be honest, and I've been kind of embarrassed about it. But anyways, hopefully this is going to be a lot better. I want to do a quick garden tour here, end of the season garden tour of what I've been doing here and what I've not been doing. I had a deer come by and eat half my crops, so I'm a little upset about that. But that happens every year, so what can you do? Anyways, I have 5 or 6 beds of garlic here. So I've got 2 beds here with a new variety I'm trying called Jaholi, I think it's pronounced. It's a purple stripe hardneck garlic, super spicy. I got some more beds here. Got 5 beds here. This one here is the one I'll finish today. I came out yesterday and I dibbled it up and composted it, or amended it with some glacial rock dust, so it was ready for today, because I thought honestly it was going to snow today. It was super cold. It's like 5-6 degrees this morning, so trying to get this done soon. So this was a bed of lettuce I had still. Deer ate it. Radishes, you can see all the hoop marks. But the ones where I've got my hoop houses here, they're still kind of small and babyish. They probably got hit with frost last night, so I need to cut those soon. These beds are just a mess. I thought I was going to be planting garlic in this one, but I think that other bed will be enough for what I have left. And some messy crap here from waiting too long to clean things up. So I might have to wait till next year, because it seems it's pretty solid now. But we'll come on over to the other side where my other stuff is. The deer got my spinach as well. I was upset about that. I should know better, because every fall it's the same deal. He comes and he eats everything. Should have covered it all, but this was spinach gone. Over here, I brought my silage tarp over here, because this is the area that is super weedy, as you can see over here. I'm going to hopefully get that spread out soon. I've got my carrots still here, and the deer ate a lot of them. You can see he's been pulling them up, kind of upset about that, but I have so many carrots, so I covered them up last night, some of them, to kind of protect what I have left. And this bed's really nice here. This cover's been helping, but I should probably pick them fairly soon, because it's super frosty. Hopefully with the sun it'll warm it up, but this tarp is going to come all the way over here, and hopefully should stretch out to here, get all this stuff. So that's most of the garden beds there, and the greenhouse here. It's still pretty amazing how warm it is. It was super cold last night, but already feels like it's 10 degrees in here. So looking good. And I've got some Salanovas in here as well that I've been planting. And look at these guys, they're looking good. A little bit of spinach as well. And these guys look beautiful. So this greenhouse has done well. I'm going to probably put a cover over them right now. I believe it's going to be really cold this evening, so I'll get some of the greenhouse covering here. We'll cover them up. And I actually need to clean out the rest of these tomatoes. I just haven't had time, and these ones are done. But sad, all the wasted tomatoes. So there you go, guys, a quick last of the season garden update of how my garden is. Overall, it was a good year. I had a few beds that were kind of empty. I was hoping to get filled up. I just didn't have time this year. So that's just the way it goes when you're doing a full-time business and trying to garden on the side. So I hope you guys had a great gardening season. Keep posted. I'll be posting videos along the winter through my maple syrup stuff, and I'll be going to my girlfriend's farm and helping her set that up. So there'll be lots of videos of that. Don't forget to share my videos around, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.